In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gohighlevel account 2026, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and sign in to your account so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're inside, the first thing you need to do is switch over to Agency View. This is important because the delete option for a sub-account is managed from the agency side, not from the regular client-side workspace. If you're not already in Agency View, look for the option that says click here to switch and select it. After that, confirm that you are now in the agency area. Take a second to make sure the view has fully changed before moving on, because the menu options can look a little different depending on where you are in the platform. Next, go to the left-hand side menu and click on Sub-Accounts. This will open the list of all sub-accounts connected to your agency. Once you're on the sub-accounts page, scroll or navigate toward the bottom right area of the account listing. That's where you'll usually find additional options for each sub-account. Now click the three dots next to the sub-account you want to remove. This opens a small action menu. From that menu, choose Manage Client. That will take you into the management page for that specific sub-account. When the client management page opens, go to the top right corner and click on Actions. A drop-down menu should appear. In that menu, click Delete. At this point, Gohighlevel will open a confirmation window for deleting the sub-account. You'll now see the Delete Sub-Account prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the sub-account. This is the stage where you should pause briefly and double-check that you're deleting the correct account, since this action may remove access and associated data for that sub-account. If everything looks correct, agree to the conditions shown in the confirmation window. These conditions are there to make sure you understand the impact of deleting the account. After agreeing, click Delete Account to finalize the process. Once you do that, the sub-account will be scheduled for deletion or removed based on your account settings and Gohighlevel's current policy. If you manage multiple accounts, it's a good idea to verify the account list afterward so you can confirm the correct sub-account is no longer active. And that's how to delete a Gohighlevel account step by step in 2026.